All right, BBQ Meatball Sliders featuring our Wicked Kitchen Amazeballs. All right, let's get the sauce going. In a pot, let's add a bit of oil on medium heat and add some of that chopped onion and garlic. We're gonna saute this a little bit. Then we're gonna add some chipotle and adobo. We're gonna add some apple cider vinegar, some ketchup, or you can use tomato paste for less sweetness. Some smoked paprika, some sriracha, some Dijon, molasses, and brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add some salt, gonna stir that up, add some water, and then we're gonna bring this to a simmer for about 10 minutes. All right, couple options to cook these meatballs. Saute them in a cast iron on medium to high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, or you can deep fry them at about 360 degrees for 4 minutes. All right, while those are cooking, let's prep up those slider fixins. So shredded cabbage, sliced fresh jalapeno, some sliced pickle, and some vegan mayo. We're ready to go. All right, we're gonna blend up that sauce. Once that's blended, we're gonna add a knob of butter, and this is gonna give it a nice sheen and silkiness. Toast up those slider buns, and let's get building. I'm gonna half those meatballs, then we're gonna toss them in that warm barbecue sauce and build away. These are so kickin' with flavor and so wicked good.